Hi guys, welcome back to our channel FASTCABLING. So are you confused about whether to go for a PoE NVR or a PoE Switch for your civilian system? If yes, you're in the right place. Today in this video, we're going to dive into the differences between these two options and helping you make an informed decision for your security setup. And of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us through the link down in the description box below, and our team of experts will get back to you as soon as possible. First off, let's get started with a brief introduction. We'll explore the significance of choosing the right PoE solution for a seamless and efficient security setup. And since setting up your civilian system properly is crucial for ensuring safety and peace of mind. Before we get deeper, let's start with the basics. What is PoE and why is it a game changer for civilian system? PoE technology is a revolutionary innovation that allows both power and data to be transmitted over a single Ethernet cable. And this means that your civilian cameras can draw power and transmit data using just one cable, and simplifying the entire setup process. So now let's delve into the world of PoE NVRs, or you can call network video recorders. PoE NVR are the backbone of many modern civilian systems, offering a comprehensive solution for managing multiple IP cameras. But what exactly are they, and how do they function in a civilian setup? Let's break it down. PoE NVR are tailored for digital IP camera. They play a vital role in recording, storing, and managing the video footage captured by these IP cameras. And they operate by receive the video data from the IP cameras through Ethernet cable. These cameras are power and transmit data through a same cable, simplifying the installation process significantly. So the NVR then process and store this video data, making it accessible for live monitoring and playback. So talk about the advantages of PoE NVR. One of the standout features is their built-in storage. PoE NVR come with internal hard drives, providing a dedicated space to store recorded footage. And this eliminates the need for external storage solution, saving both cost and complexity. Additionally, PoE NVR offer robust camera management feature, and they can detect motion, schedule recording, and even allow remote access. On the other side of the spectrum, we have PoE Switches. These devices offer scalability and flexibility in camera placement, among other advantages. And we will delve into what PoE Switches are, how they function in a civilian setup, and explore the scenarios where PoE Switches are the preferred option. In a complex civilian setup, PoE switches enable a clear separation of duties. The switch manages the network traffic and power supply, while a dedicated NVR or server handles video recording and storage. This separation enhances the system's stability and simplifies troubleshooting. They also excel in optimizing network performance. By distributing the power load across multiple switches, you can prevent bottlenecks in the network and ensuring smooth data transmission and reducing the risk of network congestion. And PoE switches can be configured with redundancy features, ensuring that if one switch fails, the other can still maintain power supply and network connectivity. Moreover, PoE switches support various IP devices beyond cameras, such as wireless access point, intercom system, and sensors. And this versatility makes them an excellent choice for integrated security and automation solution, where different types of devices need to be on the same network. So with options like our 8-port WebSmart PoE switch, the 5-port 90 watts 802.3 BT PoE++ switch, and the 8-port long-range PoE Plus switch, you can get high power, easy installation, and robust safety features. First, let's talk about the 8-port WebSmart PoE switch with 2 gigabit SFP. It is an ideal choice for enterprise network looking to establish secure PoE system with centralized management of both power and data supply for diverse IP devices. This PoE switch enables high performance and efficiency, allow tailored configuration through a user-friendly web interface accessible remotely. Next, we have the 802.3 BT PoE++ switch. It delivers an impressive power output of up to 90 watts, and making it an ideal choice for various applications requiring high power PoE Plus or PoE++ connection. Its compact size, coupled with plug-and-play installation, offer unmatched convenience. Last, we have the 8-port long-range PoE Plus switch. It is equipped with PoE power extender feature designed to extend the maximum PoE distance for IP cameras. This feature allows IP cameras that require a continuous Ethernet run of 1,500 feet to operate seamlessly, ensuring an extended reach for civilian setups. So now we've come to the critical part, which is comparing the PoE NVRs and PoE switches. PoE NVRs simplify the process with their all-in-one design, while PoE switches offer versatility and expandability. So how do you choose between the PoE NVR and PoE switches? It actually depends on factors like the size and complexity of your civilian system, budget constraint, future scalability plans, and the desired level of control and management. Additionally, network reliability and performance are important. One critical aspect that often overlooked but absolutely crucial in civilian systems is the network reliability and performance. And when it comes to network reliability, PoE NVRs offer a self-contained solution. They manage and store data on site, reducing dependency on external network. And this can be an advantage in scenarios where stable internet connection is a challenge. And the downside is that NVR can be limited by their processing power and storage capacity. On the other hand, PoE switches rely on external network infrastructure. This means they are more dependent on the quality and reliability of your network. However, they offer higher scalability and the ability to handle a larger number of cameras, making them suitable for extensive civilian systems. So next, we are going to connect both systems and see how they work. So to give you a clear picture, let's look at some real-world examples. In situations where network reliability is a top priority, PoE NVR are often used in a small-scale application, such as home security setup. And the self-contained approach ensures that your footage is stored on site even in the event of internet outage. Conversely, for large commercial or industrial setup where continuous high-performance surveillance is a must, PoE switches come into play. And in this scenario, a robust network infrastructure is essential, ensuring that high-definition video streams are transmitted seamlessly to the central recording location. So in conclusion, choosing between PoE NVR and PoE switches depends on your specific need, whether you offer simplicity of PoE NVR or the flexibility of a PoE switch. Both solutions have their unique advantages. Elevate your requirement carefully, consider the scalability, and invest in a solution that guarantees the safety and security of your space. And that's it for today's video. We hope this comprehensive comparison helped you understand the differences between the PoE NVR and PoE switches. And if you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.